Hello guys, I am Dr. Kruti Shukla. Today I am going to explain you Kumari Asav. So for understanding Kumari Asav, you have to know Asav. Asav is an alcoholic preparation which comes under Sandhan Kalpana. All the preparation resulting from the fermentation procedure come under the heading Sandhan Kalpana, and they have a unique identity because of the self-generated alcohol in them, which brings many added advantages. Sandhan, the term, means union or combination. Here the medicines are combined together and are allowed to be in the same state for specific time period. Sandhan prakriya is fermentation process which is carried out by all this preparation. This process, which marks the most significant qualities of this preparation. This fermentation process facilitates the chemical and biochemical reaction with the breakage and reunion of the bonds in the preparation to form a new compound. So, Asava Arisht are the two major outcome of this process. So, here I am starting Kumari Asav. This is the shloka of Kumari Asav, which is mentioned in the Sharangdar Samhita Madhyam Khand in chapter 10th, shlok 20 to 29. Yeah. Ingredients: here there are many type of dravyas are taken: drava dravya, madhur dravya, sandhan dravya, and prakshep dravya. Here the drava dravya is taken Kumari Patra Swaras. Matra of the drava dravya is 1 dron. Madhur dravya are guda, makshik. Guda is jaggery and makshik is honey. Gud is taken 1 tola, that is 4.8 kg, and makshik is half tola, that is 2.4 kg. Sandhan dravya is dhatki pushpa, which is taken 8 pal. Sandhan dravya is basically the fragrant agent and which helps to combine the other dravyas. Prakshep dravya. Prakshep dravya are many in number here. Loha bhasma is taken 1 tola, that is 2.4 kg. The other prakshep dravya are also mentioned, which is शुंठी, मरीच, पिपली, लवंग, त्वक, सूक्ष्म इला, तेजपत्र, नागकेसर, चित्रकमूल, पिप्पली मूल, विडंग, गज्ज पिप्पली, चविक, हपूस, धान्यक, कुर्मुक, कटुक, रोहिणी, मुस्ता, हरितकी, बिभितकी, आमलकी, रासना, देवदारू, हरिद्रा, दारू हरिद्रा, मुर्वा, येष्टि मधु, दंती, पुष्कर मूल, बलमूल, अतिबला, कपिकच्चु, गोक्षुर, शतपुष्पा, हिंगुपत्री, अक्कलाका, उन्तिगनाः, श्वेतपुनर्नवा, रक्तपुनर्नवा, lodra, makshik bhasma. All these dravya are taken half pal in matra, that is 24 grams. Now, method of preparation. Here the appropriate sandhan patra is selected. Sandhan patra is a classic mud pot which we called in local language Chennai miti ka bartan. Its dhupan is done. Dhupan means it is cleaned properly with the dhupan dravya and is kept in a suitable place, that may be in a husk or a dark room, to maintain the required temperature and to protect the preparation from acute climatic fluctuation. Now the Kumari Swaras is taken and poured in that Chennai Mitika Bartan. It is added now the jaggery is added and it is stirred well to dissolve it completely. Honey and other prakshep dravya are also added in the vessel, and dhatki pushpa is also added. The mixture is gently stirred and the vessel is kept undisturbed by temporarily closing the mouth with cloth and a lid. Lid is tied with a cloth and it is closed. Onset of fermentation observed daily for 3 to 5 days. Firstly, 3 to 5 days it is observed. Now, soon after the fermentation is onset, the Sandhi Bandhan means the sealing of the vessel is done. Now the vessel is left undisturbed for 15 days in a hot climate and for 30 days in cold climate. Firstly, we were observing the fermentation. Now, when the fermentation is started, we will close the lid, we will seal it, and will not disturb that vessel, and it is kept for 15 days in hot climate and for 30 days in cold climate. Later, the symptoms of fermentation completion are looked for. After confirming the completion of fermentation through all the classical guidelines, the preparation is carefully filtrated and stored in airtight bigger plastic cans and checked for continued fermentation and the sedimentation for fortnight or two. Now, we have looked for all the fermentation completion, that fermentation is completed and it is good in quality. All the classical guidelines are followed here. Now it is kept in a bigger airtight container so air couldn't affect it. The preparation is later siphoned out, filtered and packed in a suitable airtight containers that are neatly labeled. Now it will be a reddish dark liquid with the alcoholic odor and sharp taste. As it is a alcoholic preparation, it would be having alcoholic odor and it will be sharp in taste. As it is older, it becomes more sharper. Dosage, advantage and therapeutic utility. 1 pull, half pull and 2 pull of the medicine is administered twice or thrice after the food, added with an equal quantity of water, taking into consideration the age of patient. Here the age of patient is very important. According to age, the dosage is finalized and the equal quantity of water is also taken along with it. This medicine is known to improve the physical strength, body luster and appetite. It increases the appetite and it gives body the strength, physical strength. It is a Brahmaka, Ruchikarak, Varshaya and relieves Pakti Shul. It is Ruchikarak, that increases the taste on tongue, and it is Sheet Virya, so it is Brahmaka. It is indicated in 8 types of Udara Roga, severe Kshaya Roga and all types of Prameha, all 20 types of Prameha, Urdhvarta, Apasmara, Mutrakrutcha, Shukra Dosham, Mutra Ashmari, Krimi Roga and Rakta Pitta. As it is Sheet Virya, it also controls Rakta Pitta. These are some images of Kumari Asav which we found in the market by the brand Dabur and Patanjali, I think so. So, I hope you got all the information about Kumari Asav. So, thank you so much for listening to me. I hope you liked the video.